Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to Forgotten Weapons. I just have a quick little announcement today, one of several very cool things that are going on. Karl Kasarda, my co-host over on the InRange TV channel, he and I are very excited to be able to finally announce a project we are calling What Would Stoner Do 2020. Now, back a couple years ago on InRange TV, we went through a project that we called What Would Stoner Do, which was all about trying to rebuild the AR-15's original design intent using the best modern components. So when Stoner designed the AR-15, or the AR, what he did was take the most modern building materials out there, which at the time were things like aluminum and fiberglass, and turn them into a very light, accurate, reliable carbine. With a focus on lightweight and portability. And so we figured what would happen if we used that same design intent using today's modern materials, which include things like carbon fiber and polymer. And the design, the gun that we came up with, frankly, is absolutely my favorite gun to shoot. When it comes to not collectibles, but actual practical shooting, it is without any doubt the one gun I would pick over all others. And Karl is equally enthusiastic about his, and for years now we've been getting inquiries from people asking where they can get the components to build their own. Well, the biggest problem was that the lower receiver that we built this gun on, which is a pretty unique one, in fact it's a totally unique lower receiver, is an integrated polymer lower receiver buttstock and pistol grip that avoids all of the downfalls of the more common lower receivers that are just a standard aluminum design remanufactured in polymer. At any rate, those lower receivers have become completely unavailable. The companies that made them are all defunct now. And so we really didn't have any good answer to people who were looking to build their own version of what we were making. Today, however, we are thrilled to announce that in cooperation with KE Arms and Brownells, we are going to introduce the What Would Stoner Do 2020 carbines. So we have new production of these polymer lower receivers happening, and we're going to have a complete What Would Stoner Do rifle or carbine available for complete sale. So it's no longer a matter of trying to part together components from half a dozen different manufacturers. It's now all available as a single package. So rather than go into all the details, because there's a bunch of cool new stuff in it, I will direct you to the release or the exciting announcement video that we put together, Karl and myself and Russell Fagan from KE Arms. We have that on the InRange TV channel right now, this morning, and we are also mirroring it on Brownells' webpage. Brownells will be our exclusive distributor for the What Would Stoner Do 2020 carbines, and because some of the content that we're going to be putting out in the next couple months about these guns and about the receivers and their manufacture, some of that stuff's a little too spicy for us to be able to put on YouTube with their current rules. So instead, we're hosting it direct on Brownells' website. So if you head to Brownells, you can find everything that we have as the project develops up through the final release date, which hopefully is just a few months away. This isn't quite regular Forgotten Weapons stuff, but I'm really excited about it, and I wanted to share it with you guys over here for anyone who didn't see it on InRange. Thanks for watching.